We will get the wafers from the cylinder at first. Please arrange every wafer in order. There are 8 actual wafers, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Space 9 and 10 are missed bidding. Key biddings are shown in the figure. Click Search. Key blank, input TOY43. Select ID 903. Click Input, then input the actual bidding for space 8 to 1. Select Invert bidding. Fix the key blank by tip alignment on the jaw. Shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Select 2.0 mm cutter. Then click Cut to start cutting. After cutting is done, take out the key, clean the shavings, and we can test the new key works good for the door lock. But cannot open the ignition lock. We can use the progression function. Search online, results listed logically. Try efficiently, no wasted key blanks and save time. Please pay attention to connect to Wi-Fi. All the results will be listed in logical order. You need to try one by one until the new key opens the cylinder. Click Cut, then click Clean Up Cut before cutting, which means quick cutting to save cutting time. All cutting is done. Please clean the shavings and test. The new key works well.